What's up, guys? I'm DFB King, and today we're going to be cooking microwave popcorn. So come on with me to get the popcorn. Excuse me while I get it out of the cabinet. First, open the plastic wrapping and then look at the instructions. The instructions are on all sides, but you have to look at the instructions where it says how many minutes the popcorn needs to be popped. If they're popping too long, you can burn them. Place the bag in the microwave, push the popcorn button, then start. When the popping slows down, press the stop on the microwave and then enjoy your popcorn. Look at this big, beautiful, buttery bag of popcorn. Man, I love me some popcorn. This is an easy way for kids to make their own popcorn. I'm DFB King, and I'm out.